How to buy frog token. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert, so before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. And also there is a referral code down in the description. You can get free money rewards on crypto with the best referral code. Simply use goes below, fund your account and enjoy the benefits. Check the amount in the description. Now before going on by this token, make sure to check the REFERRAL account and keep following the updates about this token. As you can see, this token is available on the screener. It's created 14 hours ago and increased by 700% in the last 24 hours. The liquidity here unlocked by 99%. That's meaning investment in a safe place. This token also trending number 7 on Solana section. To be able to buy this token, it's easy and simple. Just copy the token address from here and go and open your Phantom wallet for that and click on swap here, as you can see, and make sure that you have enough Solana in your wallet. Now click here and paste the token address. So as you can see, this is our token. Click on it and here type how much you want to buy. So here you will be able to see how much you receive. Now after that, select the provider, for example Jupiter, and make sure to read all that information here and click on swap, and you will be able to buy this token. So if you face an issue, go back to this page and switch the slippage from here or custom it, because most of issues came from the slippage, and after that you're going to be able to buy this token without any issues. So this is how to buy frog token. If you found this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.